Now that we have the lay of the land, let's start building things, specifically the kitchen sink demo. First, we'll build CLDC11, as it's pretty trivial. After that, we should have dist/cldc11.jar. Next, we'll build the library itself. We now have Codename1 compiled. Notice a pattern here. It's relatively simple at this stage. Next, we want the simulator, so we will repeat the same process for the Java SE port. Notice I invoked ant.jar twice. This isn't a mistake. The first time copies a skin file into place, but does that a bit too late. The second time generates a proper jar. We should now have codename1.jar from the Codename1 project, this directory, and the Java SE jar from the Java SE project. This should allow us to build a Hello Codename1 project. The kitchen sink is a simple yet comprehensive demo that reviews a wide range of the Codename1 functionality. It's a good candidate to compile, so we can start by pulling it from Git. Alternatively, you can download the zipped URL from GitHub. A Codename1 project is a standard Ant project, which we can build and run similarly to other Ant projects. Notice that we are missing the Codename1 build client.jar, unless we use the Codename1 IDE plugin. This is the jar that effectively implements the build server functionality in Codename1. If you use the Codename1 plugin, you can just copy it from another Codename1 project. However, if you don't intend to use the build servers at all, you don't really need it. Since Ant is sensitive to missing dependencies, you will need to remove the Codename1 Ant tasks from the file. Notice that this is only necessary if you don't have Codename1 build client.jar. The file is really simple and doesn't include many targets. Most of the targets included in the file are included in the file nbproject/build.impl.xml, which NetBeans defines. This is just a bit of guarding against compilation issues. I included the full file in the resources for this module. Finally, in order to compile the project, we need to copy the following files into the kitchen sink directory and run ant. After this is done, you can now run the project in the simulator using either ant or the manual Java command. You will notice we are running the simulator class, not the main class, which in the case of the kitchen sink project is called com.codename1.demos.kitchen.kitchensink. The simulator loads the class dynamically and handles the device skin. That class and package are defined in the codename1 settings.properties file.